Mom,
What is it, Jacob?
can I play at the court today?
Sure, Jacob.
Thanks, Mom. Valerie, wanna play at the court today?
Sure, Jacob. I'll tell Hope and May. See you. Bye. Jacob, over here.
Hey, Jacob.
Hi, guys. Come on, guys. Let's go play. What are you waiting for?
Guys, it's getting late now. I think we should go home.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Oh, they forgot my ball. I guess I'll just play at the playground for a while. Hey guys, see that boy over there? What about him? Let's kick him out of our playground. I don't think this is a good idea, guys. This isn't our playground. Don't be a baby, Terence. Hey!
Yes, is there a problem?
Yeah, there's a problem. This is our playground. Get out.
What? I don't see your name on it.
Get out or else.
Or else what?
We're gonna make you. Guys, I think we should stop this. This isn't even our playground. Stop it, Terence. Don't be a baby.
Yeah, get out if you're going to be a baby.
Guys, stop it. He doesn't deserve it. Oh yeah? This is our playground. Fight me or leave.
I appreciate it, Terence, but you might want to leave. You might get hurt.
No, I'm not leaving you here alone. Fine, you asked for this.
Please stop this. What? Are you gonna leave or what?
Mom! Oh my gosh, Rachel, are you okay?
Why are you here?
When your friends left, they forgot to return your ball, so that's when they saw it.
For some reason, I'm so happy they forgot my ball.
Oh, you guys do that. We're gonna call your parents. Please
Don't. We were just fooling around. Sorry, it's already too late.
Wow.
Terence, are you okay?
Well, other than a black eye, I'm fine. Hey, Jacob.
What do you want, Martin?
I'm sorry for what I did to you yesterday.
We were just fooling around until you got carried away.
Wanna be friends?
Be kind to one another, tender-hearted, forgiving one another. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 32.
Let's kick him out of our court.
Playground.
Ah! Playground na! Well, I think we should just stop it. This isn't our playground.